Alright, so I'm back with the hot tub again. I went ahead and I repaired this down here. It needed a new cap. It basically broke off right at the threads, so I couldn't drain the tub or plug it off when I was filling it. And then if we come around here, this all was done, like I said, by the previous owner. They ripped out all this foam, and actually I guess it was done by the spa company. That's what it sounds like according to the service records. When the actual leak is way down behind here, there's basically a drain to the bottom of this tub that's by the moto jet, and it's about right here, maybe a foot in from the very corner, from this corner here. It kind of comes at an angle so you can't really see it, but basically about a foot in, and then probably about a foot in towards the tub, both directions, is where that little 1/4 inch fitting broke off. So I epoxied that. That seems to hold. It's not leaking anymore. The water line looks fine. I basically took a grease pencil. You can't really tell, but I put a line all the way over here. Try and zoom in so you guys can take a look at that. So way in there, and the line's pretty much exactly where it was. I drew it a little higher. Obviously, due to the grease pencil, it didn't work very well in water. But yeah, so not too bad so far. But now it looks like I have a leak here, and I'm hoping this is simple. This looks like a light fixture because there's some wire coming out of here. But if I push, there's water coming here. So I'm hoping it's just a bad seal, and we can just replace that seal and be on our way. But it's hard to tell because I would assume the seal to the light is more around here. I don't know anything about this tub, but yeah, there's definitely a ton of water behind this batting. So there's a definite leak there. So I guess we'll see what's next.